Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for turning the notifications on. The best green smoothie in the world equals a healthy breakfast. Do you want to have a healthy and quick breakfast but don't have time to prepare eggs and toast? Are you one of those who want to pack breakfast and eat drink in the car while driving to work? Let me share a recipe of a best green smoothie and hope you would like it. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup water chilled according to preference. Half cup chopped cucumber. 1 cup strawberries frozen. 1 banana optional frozen. 1 apple. 2 tightly packed cups spinach. Juice of half lemon. Ice only if you're not having any frozen fruits and want a chilled smoothie. Put all of this in your blender and blend until smooth. Serve with refreshing fruits if you still can't have enough of delicious mixture. Yes, you read that right. That's the perfect green smoothie and it's ready in minutes. All you really need to do is make sure the veggies are cut before morning and the fruits are frozen. For people on a diet, a lower calorie intake would mean excluding the banana from the mixture. You may also put in a tablespoon of chia flax seeds for the extra healthy fats needed. Green smoothies are perfect for people who are to follow a diet plan every morning. For breakfast is more than enough calorie intake and it's healthy and fulfilling too.